Hey guys, welcome back to another Canva tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert image in shape in Canva. So on Canva design, just simply go ahead and click on elements here. Just go ahead and search for frame, and once you have frame, you'll have a ton of different shapes or frames that you can add your image in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose something. Let's basically choose something that is interesting. Let's find something. So let's say I want to choose this. I click on it and you can resize it. So let's say I want to insert it in this shape right here. And I'm going to do two shapes as well so that you can see how it works. I'm going to choose something that is not round. Let's choose this diamond here, for example. I can go ahead and add that. Now, once you have both of your shapes or one shape that you want to do, you can go ahead and go to your images. So I'm going to go to photos right here, and let's choose this one here. Just take it and drag it, and it's going to add to this. So you just want to let it go, and that's going to add it in the frame. I'm going to choose something else. So let's say I want to choose this, for example. As an example, I can click that and drag it as well. And that's it, guys. That's how to insert image in shape in Canva. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.